Hello, okay, trust you guys are doing great. This is the explainer video that I promised to do. I try to summarize some of the new changes or modifications that I've done on the system so far. So the first one here is being able to update the product price on during purchase. So because I know that you guys kind of find it difficult to go and change product prices one after the other. So here I have added a feature that during purchase you can, as you added those products that you want to purchase, you can also add the new price of the product. So Gospel, when you're providing the cost template for any new purchase, you can as well provide the prices of the new prices for those product, so that whoever that is purchasing the items on the system when entering the cost can also enter the price, so that once you make that purchase, the system automatically updates the current price of that product. Then on the flag cell, I had no other choice than to make a few modifications here and also implement that whenever there is a cell that is flagged, the admin and the owner's account needs to review that cells before they will be able to do anything on the system. By review, I mean that you have to first of all investigate and find out what led to that. Is it that a wrong purchase cost has been entered on that product? Then, if that is the case, you will change it and work on it appropriately. Maybe go back to the purchase and set the correct cost so that the system submit it back. Thereby, the system will be able to recalculate the average cost that the system is currently using. Okay, that's number two. I'll also go ahead and kind of demonstrate some of this as quick as possible. Then, but let me first of all explain them. The number three is being able to sell from different locations from on a single invoice. So I made this enabling and disabling feature, like I said in my earlier voice note. I indicated the challenges of coming to have a different code base for the branches. So in order to solve that, I implemented this on one single code base that I will push to all the branches. But this feature is you have a turn enable and disable button on the system setting, that you can enable it for any branch to use and also disable it for any branch to use. Okay, and also having in mind that maybe when new branches will be opened, you also be needing this feature. So I made it in such a way that it won't be a bottleneck. Okay, then the next one is optimizing the product detail page, because I noticed that as your post records are growing, when you want to view product detail page, it takes a longer time. So I have optimized the query and use Agile Score to make it very fast. Okay, then reminder on customer unpaid invoices. So now when you select a customer that you want to make sales to, if the customer is owing this, you have a modal that comes up to notify you that, oh, this customer has some pending money to pay. Then also, because of you are the one that requested for this, I also made few modifications on the bank posting in order to make sure that the cashier don't have full access to the accounting module. So let me quickly go ahead and demonstrate this modification starting from number one. So what I mean now is that when you're adding new purchase, let's say for instance you want to buy, use any products in supplier, supplier. Let's say we are buying this quota, as you have to, normally you have to enter the new cost. So when you click on this pencil button to enter the new cost of it, you also have the option of changing the price at the same time. So let's say in this case now the cost has increased to, let's say, 7,000. So as you're entering the new product cost, you can also set the new product price as well. Let's say in this case now you are setting it to 1,000. So by the time we will complete this uh, purchase, the cost and the price of this product will automatically be up. So currently we can see that the cost is this and the price is this, but during purchase we have changed the cost to this and also changed the price to this. So let me submit this purchase and so that you see what is the product. So if I come to product list now and search for this product, you see that the new product price is now this amount. So that is what this gives us. Then the second one is flag sales. If there is any flag sale now, you have to first of all treat it before you be able to do anything. Okay, I can demonstrate this by probably showing you number 3, and from there we'll be able to sell product below the set profit margin. So I'll show you where to enable this. You enable this from the system settings. So that of the price too, being able to update price during purchase is a feature. You can also turn it on and or off. So this is where you'll be able to set that for being able to update price. That's update price with purchase. If you say yes, you have the feature enabled. If you say no, you have it disabled. Then for sell from different location on a single invoice, you have it enabled or disabled. So in this case, I already have it as enabled. So let's go ahead and make some sales. Okay, let's say now we are selling this water heater. Here, then I also want to pick from another warehouse, maybe different products. Have different product from different uh, warehouses. How do you know the warehouse that the product is coming from? You have it written here. See, this is coming from Ogidi outlet. So and in order to demonstrate that of the flag sale, let me go ahead and reduce the price of this and set this below price so that the system will flag it up. Okay, now I also added another thing. I added is added a cash button. You can, it was not here before. You can, if this customer is paying cash, you can click here to post the cash payment directly. Then I also have this button for multiple payment. That's if the customer is paying with cash or and bank transfer at the same time, or if you want to pay from the customer's wallet. So in this case, you have customer's wallet. If there's any money in customer's wallet, and you also have money from ledger repayments that customer posted ahead. So in this case, let's just post cash payment directly. Posted the sales cash payments, and you can print this that you have to pick up the items from. Okay, so let's go back to dashboard. You see, because there's a sale, there are 2 items sold below your profit margin, so you have no other option than to review it before you be able to do anything. So these are the 2 items, and you know how to review it. You have to simply just click on yes, sort it out. So that's it. Then the next one is customer unpaid invoice. So let's say we have customer sales to on credit. Let me see. I think working customer. Let's see. Once you select that customer, the system will remind you that this customer have overdue bill. Click to view. So once you click here, you get to see the invoices that the customer is yet to pay for. So everything here is self-explanatory. Then the next one is the bank. On the payment account module, I've got this add fund. This is like when the owners of the business want to fund any of the bank accounts or the remittance account. directly from their own pockets. Okay, this transfer is when it's normally for bank deposits. That is the essence. I added it here so that there won't be any need to go into account entry to do the posting again. So from here, if the cashiers have gone to the bank, all they need to do is the cash account, click on transfer, then enter select the receiving bank. If maybe they made they deposited the money in Access, they select Access, enter the amount, put their narrative, and click on submit. This system automatically does the posting. So then owners withdrawal. This is to record owners withdrawals from the. So that will be it. If there is anything that is not clear, please feel free to get in touch with me and I'll explain more. Thank you very much.